What's up, YouTube? It's MJ Cameron. I'm back again once again with another video. Today, y'all coming along with me. We gotta take my dog to an appointment and maybe some other stuff. Let's get into it. For real? Dang.
We're controlling stores entry from safety to make it a very shopping experience.
I don't remember why we came in here, but we came in here.
What I came in for.
Oh, I do.
Let me try one of these. No, I want the cart. Not her name.
Yo, I was about to say, I think I left my phone in the car.
What's up, y'all? We are in Burlington, one of my favorite stores.
Yo, we go from Ross to Marshall to Burlington to Marshall to Ross to Burlington.
My favorite store, y'all. Look at all this Christmas stuff. Look.
I know.
See
Christmas
those?
slippers and...
Slippers and things and stuff. You know, little gifts for Christmas. They done changed it up.
No, this stuff is still back here.
Oh, the coats up there. They look like girl coats.
Yeah, they girl coat. It's about time for them to put the summer stuff up, though.
Because now this is real fall.
We need a real baby, because he's he's still only gonna be one Sunday.
What is it? Hi, you work here?
No,
You work here?
no. Like, yes, she work here.
Huh?
Yes, she work
Do you
here.
have little babies, snowsuit coats? Coats?
Not girls, but
Boys. Up some. How about little girl t-shirts in the pack? Four T's, like 4 T's for little girls. T-shirts.
T-shirts
For girls. Over that way? Okay. Thank you. Oh, yeah. Well, these not the kind I want.
you gonna ask her, do she work here? Like, she don't got a whole Burlington name tag and
I didn't
thing
see
on
one.
it.
I see. These not good. I thought this was, they got something wrong. This is a 12 month. You know what I mean?
I know what you mean.
I tell you this. And like girl t-shirts in a pack. 4 T's.
This is how my dog act. Every time he know he ready to go for a ride.
You going bye-bye? I'm going bye-bye. Yes.
You want to put your hoodie on?
Go get your clothes on. Go get your clothes on, Bootsy. Bootsy, you stop jumping on me. God damn. You can't.
Time to go on Petco.
Bootsy, calm down.
Oh, this dog is crazy. Thank you.
Calm down, you're going to get your hair.
Come on this way.
Go ahead and do the little piss before you get in here. Uh-oh,
That one.
in here. I see some stuff going on. Go ahead and see.
I told you he was just waiting until we got up there.
Come on, let's go. You got one right here. Look at the babies.
Come on, man. Go.
Hi, Bootsy. Hey, Bootsy. Yeah. How's it going, guys?
Y'all not gonna believe where we back at. Y'all not gonna believe it. Like it. Thank you. Like, we haven't been here in so long, right? Meaning so long was yesterday. Where we at? Where we at? What store is this?
Ross.
Now she looking at shoes. Yesterday when we was in line, she said, "Oh, I ain't even look at the shoes." Now she looking at.
Hey y'all, he always got me in my stores. He know how I like it.
I got you in your stores. Or do you? I recall. We got into the car, and she said, "Ooh, let's go over here to this Ross real quick." That's what she said. We were supposed to be in here to get the baby something. To get my nephew something. But you came in here and started finding other stuff. Now,
I didn't mean to.
they got Halloween stuff. But I'll see y'all once we leave out of here. Because we ain't ready to be doing nothing but walking back and forth. Alright, y'all. We gonna pick him up now. Time to go pick up.
Oh, baby.
See how he react. Run, Forrest, run!
You caught that?
Yes, I did.
She got the paper.
Yeah, I think she already did. Yep.
How much is it?
It's $57. Oh, sorry.
Okay, ready.
You know one thing I don't like.
What's that?
One thing I don't like
What's that?
is waiting for them to bring my baby.
I hear him whining.
Hey, I don't care. I don't like
Is these free? Is these free?
With the pens?
Are these free?
No.
No, not the pens. Is this free?
Yeah, you can have some.
Wait a minute.
Look at the pretty baby.
He did good. Only thing he was.
Nails always.
Alright, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and grab him because he want me. I'll see y'all in a little bit. Alright, YouTube. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, share the video, and I'll see y'all in the next one.